I had a question from Stephen. Again, this is a very common question. What paper do I use? I use Fabriano £130 cold pressed for no other reason than it's cheap. It does the job. It's not the greatest paper in the world, but I can get decent results from it, and it works out about I pay about 33 quid for a pack of 100, so about 33p a sheet, which is a lot cheaper than anything I've ever seen in the shops. If you're buying the pads, I've never seen it less than £1 a sheet. I haven't looked for a while, to be honest with you, but yeah, artdiscount.co.uk. There's always links. You can get it on Amazon as well. I mean, if you ever want to see any of the materials that I use, just look in the description of any of the videos. It's all down there. You'll see the links. And I've linked to everything to on Amazon. Amazon's not necessarily the cheapest, but it's it's just so where you can see a detailed description of each of the things that I use. I do get a small commission if anyone buys anything from there. It's only pennies. It's not a huge amount, but every little helps. This is a nice little spot for where you want to just get away from it all. Just be on your own and think about what to paint next. Where's the next reference picture coming from?